Hello, it's Emma Jo here from Lavinia Stamps, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a robin redbreast golden robin tag. Let me show you close up. This is the golden robin. Ta-da! He's rather different for me. He's rather, well, there's only really two colours on there, which is quite strange. Anyway, it's rather lovely. You may not, I don't think you can see, but there's rather a lot of stickles on him. And great fun. So simple. Come with me. Let's see how it's done. Right, so we're starting off here with a watercolour card tag, the small variety, and Elements Ink Sahara and a size 9 brush. And I'm just giving the background of the card a complete once over, aiming to have the dark colours in the corners. Okay, and I'm putting a little bit of Sundance because that's just a brighter yellow in the centery bits. So let's have a look at the bird. Well, I've chosen the robin shape from Stencil set 1. Not easy to say. And the Spirit of Christmas stamp, which I have inked up with Versafine Clair Pinecone. And I'm just going to stamp it. Now this is more about texture than about reading the words, so I'm not stressing too much about whether it makes any sense. Does that make sense? So you can see I'm inking it up and stamping it off first before stamping. There we go. And now I am using my size 3 stencil brush with some truffle Elements ink, and I'm just going around the outside to give it a bit of an outline. And we've got some Elements ink Emperor Red. Now I wonder what I could be doing, bearing in mind it's a robin. There we go. So taking that same brush and got some gilding polish, rich red, and I'm just adding to that robin's redbreast. All done with that stencil brush size 3, adding the same colour to the base, to the feet. And I've taken that sticker stencil off and I'm heating it up because I don't want it to be too wet for anything else to happen on the background. So let's crack on with those finishing touches. So this is Tulip Red, Versafine Clair Tulip Red, and again the Spirit of Christmas stamp. And remember, it's more about texture and pattern than anything else, although the words are lovely. So if you can get them so that you can read some of them, it's well worth it. Like I think we've got here, what is it? Peace, hope and love. Bring you peace, give you hope, grant you love. Such wonderful thoughts for this time of year. Yep. Am I going to do any more? I'd stop now if I were you. That's it. That's the badger. Now there we've got Sentiment Sticker Set 3, which is the more autumnal one. We have a robin redbreast sticker, which is a perfect size for this tag. And I'm just going to soften the edge of the tag using the remains of what was left from doing the robin redbreast and his feet. So that's that Emperor Red mixed with a bit of Cosmic Shimmer metallic gilding polish, rich red. And I have taken it over the sticker because sometimes I think the stickers need to look like they belong. And that just helps. So I've taken a little bit more of the Emperor Red onto my brush and just taking it Around the outside, around the outside. Doesn't that look warm and golden? And I'm just going to add some of that Cosmic Shimmer gilding polish as well, because that shimmer is just lovely. Perks it up. That's what it does. And here we go, we've got some Stickles. So I've got Stardust here, which I think is rather lovely. And if I'm going to put it behind the bird, now by that I don't mean it's going to go lift the bird up and put it behind it or anything like that. It's just going to give the bird a glittery surround, as if it was standing in front of something incredibly glittery. That's my plan. And all I'm doing is dotting it about here, there and everywhere in those gaps. And once that's dry, you can see it catches the light. Well done! You did it! Well done! You know, I said this was really simple. It is, but how effective is it? It's so clever. These sticker stencils, they're so clever. You can do as much or as little as you want to. I think it's fab. Anyway, I hope you've had fun making this tag with me. Thank you very much for coming along. If you've got any comments you'd like to make about making the tag, please pop them in the post below. Any questions? Fabulous. Love questions. And I will do my best to answer you as soon as I possibly can. You take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.